The kind of proofs we've been doing up to this point are known as two-column proofs, where in one column we put the statements generally on the left and the justification or the reason for each statement on the right. So here we see that we are doing the steps or the things, the justification, the thing we're doing, and then the reasons, the left, justifications. We're doing the things. We're doing the things on the left, and then on the right we've got our reasons. So left is the statements, the right is the reasons. See, we're good. I got there. So we'll notice that the first step is the distributive property. We're going to distribute that 2 through that first set of parentheses, giving us 4x minus 2 minus 15 equals 2x plus 23. On the next step, we'll notice we are combining like terms. Well, the only like terms I can see that we can combine would be this negative 2 and this negative 15, making this 4x minus 17 equals 2x plus 23. On the next step, I notice that I'm subtracting things, and although there's multiple things that I can see I can subtract, the next step is addition. So the only thing that I see here that I could be adding is that negative 17. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 2x to the other side, so I'm not having to mess with that negative 17 at all. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, giving me 2x minus 17 equals 23, because the 2x would be gone from that side. Now I can add that 17 to both sides, giving me 2x equals 40. And here it says the division property, but if you'll notice, the next step is to simplify. So it's probably wanting me to do something like this, where it's 2x over 2 equals 40 over 2, and then the last step being simplify, we do 2 divided by 2, which is 1x, equals, and then 40 divided by 2, which is 20. Okay, there is a proof with our steps, or our reasons, on the left, and our justifications, our steps on the left, and our justification or reasons on the right. Okay, so here's some helpful hints when proving. Always start with given. Whatever you're given, that is what you're going to want to start with. The next thing is to, basically, if you're getting stuck, try working backwards. You know where you're trying to go. You know what you're trying to prove. So maybe you just need to figure out what you need to prove that thing. Maybe it's the definition of the thing. So if I'm trying to prove that it's a midpoint, I need to probably use that both sides would be equal. If I'm trying to prove something's a parallelogram, I probably need to prove that opposite sides are parallel. So if I'm getting stuck in a proof, maybe try and work backwards. Okay, and that is my helpful hints for you today. I'll see you guys back tomorrow in 6.2.